viewers, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Samsung Smart TV HDMI No Signal error. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Samsung Smart TV here and you're getting that no signal error on your HDMI, well in this case there are going to be a few things that you can do here. So first things first is you want to guarantee that the problem itself is not something physical. So in this case, you want to go ahead and visit the back panel of your Samsung Smart TV and you want to look at your HDMI port. Now, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to switch over to a different port here. Now, sometimes the actual port might not be working properly, so maybe switching over to a different one. So use a different HDMI port in here and switch over to that specific channel and see if that solves the issue. So typically speaking, a pop-up that says no signal error means that it's not receiving error, it's not connecting. Also, whenever you plug something in your HDMI, make sure that everything is all the way in. Now, if you still see the metallic part of your HDMI, it's not fully in, so you want to go ahead and plug it in there and see if that solves the issue. Now, by the way, another thing that you could do here is before plugging your HDMI here, you might want to gently press on your HDMI port. Now, sometimes they might be loose, so in this case, pressing on them can actually tighten them a bit here, or in this case put things into in this case full connection. So in this case this actually helps, so you could just press on them and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you could do here is you could do a kind of a soft reset here. So what we mean by soft resetting your TV or your smart TV here is you want to go ahead and basically turn off your smart TV. So you want to go and turn this off either via remote, but once you've turned that off, you want to unplug it from any electrical sources on your TV. So unplug it. Once you've plugged it, you want to go ahead and look for any physical button on your Samsung Smart TV. So typically it's going to be under the section here or at the back. So just look for anything that looks like a power button, and you want to press and hold that button for about like 10 seconds if you can. Now leave your TV unplugged for 15 minutes, and once the 15 minutes or the time is up, you could go ahead and plug it back in again and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.